everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for subscribers. If you didn't subscribe, click on the subscribe button and do click on bell icon. You would wonder how you can get a car within a span of 5 years if you have 1 lakh amount with you, right? So everyone is eager waiting for that to know, right? So it's all about compound interest. What you can do, like it is an eighth wonder of the world, which many people would have know, and they are actually using it for creating a wealth. So how you can do that? So consider you have 1 lakh of amount, and you could generate 60 percentage average per annum through swing trading or any type of trading what you know, and you need to do it and keep investing it for 5 years. It doesn't mean that you invest 1 lakh for each year, like you need to keep on incrementing. It doesn't mean that. For example, you are having a principal amount of 1 lakh and you are getting 60 percentage of returns out of it, and the return amount what you get and principal amount will be again used for getting another 60 percentage for the second year. This kept on do you need to keep on repeating this, and until 5 years you will be ended up in getting 10 lakh amount what you have. So with the 10 lakh amount, you can just get a minimum a car, right? So even below 10 lakh you have some cars there out in the industries you can get it. So just it is not mainly concentrated on purchasing a car. I just wanted to show you the power of compound interesting, so by which you can just double triple your money in the span of shorter period, but no one is doing that. Many big investors are actually making use of this to create a wealth. So it is a very easy way, but no one is using it wiser. So that's the reason I just wanted let everyone know this available out there. So just I used that example, that is purchasing a car with a span of 5 years with the principal amount of 1 lakh. So let's see how is that very. So now if you come into this area, returns rate of interest, right? So is there any investment plans available to get 60 percentage? No, right? So for that you have share market where you can get 60 percentage. This is very minimal returns you can get with the low risk. It does mean like the 5 percentage in a month, it is very easy to get. Like people are actually double triple the money in the span of 1 month and 2 month. I don't get into those things, but you can just simply get 60 percentage per annum by investing a principal amount of 1 lakh. So how we can do is by doing a swing trading. Okay, so by using a swing trading you can just easily get this, and you can just make a money out of it. I will show you my open position which I do for swing trading. So let me show you that. So if you see here, like this is the amount invested. It is actually contains the long term also. Let me filter out only the swing tradings, the swing trades. And if you see, the amount invested is 60,000. Okay, and the current utilized, like unutilized profit and losses 5 percentage. At present I have profit of 5 percentage. I didn't booked it yet. So it is simple. If you see, I have just diversified the amount into different stocks. I used to diversify it as 10 percentage into each stocks, and sometimes more, and I need to adjust it with other stocks. That's how I do. It's completely based on the stock, the risk what you are going to take it. Okay, so see, for example, this Ambuja cement. Let me show you on what basis I have just taken this trade. See, there are very simple support and resistance concept. Nothing much. It is not much complicated. If you see, stock is in uptrend. Okay, so at some point of time you are noticing this. How you can enter the trade? Usually this is support resistant and this is support. Okay, so when this resistant is getting breached, you need to enter it here. But when I see like it was there at this point, and I was waiting to retest this level, and it is on April 22nd, which is the date which I buy this share. Let me show you that. Yeah, 22nd April. I'm still holding it. Okay, so the reason to hold is I might be booking target here, but I used to trail my stop loss. The current stop loss which I have is around 320. The candle should close below 320 so that I will exit my trade. Until then, I will just keep on trailing my stop loss based on the swing low. See, wherever the swing low is getting formed, I will just move my stop loss over there. It doesn't have much complicated indicators or anything as such. Okay, it's just a simple support and resistance by which you could earn. If you see the returns amount, it is 60%, 16 percentage. Don't see this profit and loss. Okay, see the amount which I invested is very low. It is around 2899. So just know, concentrate on the percentage of returns which you get. And similarly for Bosch Limited, um, which I purchased on 28th of May. So let me show you why I have get into this trade. So this trade, I have just drawn this trend line, and I have just noticed that there is some resistance here that could turn as a support. So it happens on 27th May, right? So let me show you that. Yeah, I just waited on 27th to just it prints the reversal candle, and after that I just entered on 28th. So I'm just still holding on this trade, and the stop loss would be below this zone. So this is also a simple support and resistance. If you see, uh, the trend line is there, right? This is called a support, and this is a trend line which act as a support. This is act as a resistant. And if you see, candles has reacted here once here, and that is also reacting in this zone also. So definitely it should react here. Okay, and if you see, when you notice that from top to bottom, and again it comes down and go up and come down. So I have missed it this area. Okay, I didn't I just got to know this pattern after around 21. Okay, but I wanted to enter. I can't blindly enter on this candle, right? So I should wait for some reversal. So if I noticed, I see this resistance is been broken, so I just waited till this resistance turns as a support and just entered. My target would be around 18,050. Okay, sorry, 500. So until then, what I will do, I will just keep on trailing my stop loss, and I will just book my profit once the target is achieved. Similarly, I have other stocks. Let me go to Sun TV. It is on 7th April, right? Let me show you that. Sun TV. Even Sun TV, I am just seeing a similar pattern. Okay, if you see, it is just ascending parallel channel, the resistance and support. When you need to enter, the point is when you need to enter, right? So you need to enter it again here. I waited in this area, but I couldn't see a proper reversal here. If you see, actually this trend line has been broken here, right? So if you see the day which I entered is around 7th April, right? Let me go to 7th April. See, the 7th April is here. So what happened? I just see this reversal. Okay, this reversal has been happening because I just drawn another line for reversal, and I entered it here on 7th April. Okay, 7th April. Okay, and if you see, still I'm holding it. My stop loss would be below this. If you see, this is the support which is acting, right, multiple times. If the candle closes below 450, I should exit, or else I will just keep on trailing. So my current trailing stop loss is at 510. Okay, so if you see, this has formed again a swing low, so I can just move my stop loss here, and again it forms a swing low here, so I just moved it my stop loss to again it here. I will wait until the candle closes below this, so that I will exit, or else I will just keep on trailing this. See, if you see, like, it is very simple to get 5% in a month, and you just need to compound it for at least 5 years to get the amount multiplied. Okay, so I don't say like you need to keep compound your entire money. See, for example, I have 2 lakh of capital, by which 1 lakh, whatever returns which I get, I can just make use of it for my personal use, and I keep on using that. I have another one capital, I should be using that for compounding. So in such a way you need to diversify your capital, so that you will have a better wealth created over a longer time. So you need to have a goal, what amount you need to reach and the number of time, like time period, what you need to have, and you can just fix a goal and make use of it. So just wanted to share you about this compound interesting methodology that is being used by many rich peoples to create a wealth. You can just make use of it and take an advantage of it. Thanks for seeing my video. Do subscribe and click on bell icon.